It's a hurricane update. It's about 9:45 and we're just waiting for the rain to start. It's on Thursday. No, it's on Wednesday. And rain hasn't started yet. We'll hit their house. Oh, my camera froze. Those are the clouds and it's coming in and already sprinkled a little bit. We were chasing our dogs, me and Lindsay. Lindsay here. Oh, camera froze again. Lindsay here in the middle of Hurricane Isaac, chasing our dogs in the neighborhood. And so I guess I'm just filming whenever I come back. I filmed another video about 15 minutes ago, but I'm going to try to update it a lot for people who don't live in Louisiana and Florida and Alabama, Mississippi. Everybody up north who doesn't really get affected as bad. Guess I'll see you guys whenever it rains. Bye.